So this is my ninth book. It's called The Pocahontas, retold by Tim Vasari. This is a real story that happens in England, in Virginia. So in 1607, uh, in 1607, Englishmen was traveled to Virginia, and they want to be there and to have a new life. So they built a town called the Jamestown, it was built after the King James of England. So Virginia is a new world, and there is an Englishman who fall in love with a girl of the Indian king, whose name is Powhatan. The Englishman John Smith was a brave and good guy who really loves the beautiful young Indian girl. They love each other, but love isn't easy during the day because they are not allowed to get in love with each other because they're from different religion, different they're different people. So the king will not allow the England to love her girl, and because they hated the England. And in this book, it mentions a lot about the history of England and the history of King James. I think this really helps our world history course. So I would recommend this book because it's kind of like it's talking about the history, and this has also been been captured as a movie, and the movie is lovely, a Disney princess movie. I like this movie, and this is a good book.